Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Use the included connecting bar to connect the right and left sled base. Attach the connecting bar to the base frames using the included screws. Place the seat cushion under the frame. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left. Align the screw holes on the armrest with the seat cushion screw holes. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Next, align the screw holes on the armrest with the screw holes on the backrest. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Now firmly fasten all your screws gradually in an alternating cross pattern. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.